The new regime coming in means that insurers will need to focus more of their attention on how they manage their conduct risk and ensuring that their customers are treated fairly. The report that we're releasing today focuses on the fire and general insurance market and its conduct. What we mean by conduct is how the industry treats its customers, how it behaves, and whether they are doing what they promised. Following our review into banks and life insurers' culture and conduct in 2018 and 2019, we wrote to all fire and general insurers asking them to look at those recommendations that we made in the report and see how they applied to their businesses. Unfortunately, we were not happy with the response that the industry provided when we asked for the results of their reviews. Only 2 out of 42 insurers met our expectations, and the majority of the medium and smaller sized institutions have a lot of work to do if they're going to meet the new regime's requirements. We were disappointed that the reviews weren't conducted adequately in many occasions, and we put this down to firms not really understanding the conduct risks that they're running in practice and how their customers can come to harm. What we mean when we talk about poor conduct from fire and general insurers are where their customers have had to pay more than they should have done, or where they hold policies that actually they can't claim on. We see this happening where firms don't have the right types of controls and processes in place to ensure that customers are charged correctly and to also ensure that customers have suitable products for their needs. What we're now looking for from the industry is that they focus on the areas that they need to improve upon. We will be writing back to each firm individually to set out what those areas are, and we expect them to make progress on those before the new regime comes into force. We do think that firms need to put in place more time and energy to focus on their systems, their governance, and their processes to make sure that customers are treated fairly in practice.